to see. We are expecting to see them to maybe meet the family, and yeah, we are yet to receive him. Yeah, there was. So the Right Honorable Raila Odinga is here, and the images that you're seeing is that he is here to meet with the family. To William Ruto has just arrived here, and we can see that this is Mama walking out of the. We are telling you that Tuko Muthaiga 44. We are at Muthaiga 44, where Jimmy Wanjigi resides, and he has been raided for the second time. So that's the story in town. He has been raided for the second time, and being raided for the second time means that you can yani jana walikuwa hapa from around 5 in the evening, and again they came back today early in the morning from around 6 in the morning, as per what the family is saying. And yeah, but the wakili is saying that when they showed up, there was someone with something purported to be what they call the evidence. They came and planted in the compound, and now they want to tell us that these are the people who've been doing what and many other things. So as we continue to stay around, as we continue to keep up with what is happening, we want to bring you. We just keep bringing you up to speed. And yes, so Wakil, is it okay for me to? So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Honorable Raila Odinga, who's just arrived in this place. Raila Odinga has just arrived in this place, and he's here generally just to be with the family of Honorable Jimmy Wanjigi, to talk to them and just listen to what is going to happen. And thank you so much. This is Raila Odinga, who's just arrived in this place, and we're expecting to see. We are expecting to see them to maybe meet the family, and yeah, we are yet to receive him. So the Right Honorable Raila Odinga is here, and the images that you're seeing is that he is here to meet with the family. To William Ruto has just arrived here, and we can see that this is Mama walking out of the.
We have excused ourselves. I think now tuko sawa.
Hello. Yes. Akinaweza kupigia dakika moja tu, niko mahali na shoot kitu. So thank you so much kwa join, because Baba Raila Odinga has just arrived in this place, and I don't know why when I get close to this place, network get lost. So we had the Sumejifunika. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining. This is Daniel Nsaranyaka's YouTube channel. And of course, thank you so much for subscribing. Wale wenye naona mnaendelea kusubscribe, tuendelee na hiyo moyo ama ni hiyo moyo. Yes, so Raila Odinga has just happened, and the images that you've seen is that he has arrived with a few leaders here and there, one of them being Simba Arati, and another one, and of course Mother Karua was here. She's just excused herself to step out, and so we are waiting for him to come out from the place, from rather the house where all the dramas and everything was happening yesterday, so that we can be able to maybe get to know what exactly he thinks of what is happening, and how he thinks, what solution does he think we need from him, and from this is live images from Wanjigi's home, and if I can show you what Wanjigi's home look like, this is Wanjigi's home, and this is how it looks like, and this is the place that was being raided yesterday. And I mean, if you look at it, mesikia watu wengine wanasema yeye anaishi US, wengine tukiishi Kenya. So this is the kind of home that Jimmy Wanjigi resides in. And if you look at it well, that's what it looks like. And yeah, so for those who've joined, niko live kwa ama nyumbani kwa Jimmy Wanjigi ambaye alikuwa raided yesterday because of the maandamano, the Gen Z's maandamano, and of course Raila Odinga has just showed up to give his support. And earlier on we had Martha Karua who just stepped out. So what we can see is that we're together. We're just giving you live footage from wherever you are watching from, and as we continue, as we wait for Raila to come out, Honorable Raila Odinga, tafadhali naomba msubscribe, mutu keep us ama niendelee kuwajuza na kuwa keep in speed with what is happening, so that we are together, in this. So karibuni sana, and yes, this is what is happening. Tuko field. For those who are watching, karibu sana. This is Daniel Onsare Nyagaka's YouTube channel. Tuko live kutoka kwa Honorable Jimmy Wanjigi's home kwenye Raila Odinga amekuja saizi, and we're waiting for him to give us an update on what exactly is happening and why he's here, and maybe because we know Raila Odinga and Jimmy Wanjigi have a great history of friendship for a good while or a long time. So we're waiting for him to come and tell us what exactly is happening. So today we have, this is what it looks like at Jimmy Wanjigi's home, and this is the home where Jimmy Wanjigi resides. So if you look at how it is, you can tell that this is the kind of lifestyle that yeye anakaa. And the police stayed here yesterday because they said Jimmy Wanjigi came to his home, and they stayed here more than 15 hours just trying to investigate what exactly is happening. And later we can tell that he was they didn't find him, and what they said was that when they left yesterday, because I was here personally from around 4 in the evening until 4 in the morning. When I was here, they said that he had Raila Odinga had Jimmy Wanjigi had nothing against him, because when they left here, they said that what they took was CCTV footage, it was CCTV things, phones, gadgets, a few gadgets here and there. And of course, today in the morning now, I can confirm to you that we saw new evidence come up that they said that new gadgets were found, which are explosives and maybe helmets of protective helmets and many other things. So what I saw, I'll share later from this platform. But karibuni sana, and let's keep pushing. Let's keep subscribing for those who have not subscribed. And this is what we do for you. So we are waiting for Raila Odinga to come out. Thank you so much. Na tafadhali nyinyi watu 114, kama uja subscribe, ukisubscribe, I'll not feel bad. I'll feel grateful, and we shall keep doing it. I really appreciate your time. I really appreciate what so far you have been doing to us, and yes, we're here for you, and we're here to support one another. I'm really grateful.